At the Five Guys restaurant in New York City, burgers and fries are the specialties. But owner John Rigos worries he'll have to cook up some cost savings when the Affordable Care Act is fully implemented. You think it may affect the number of people you can hire?
It'll likely affect the number of people we can hire. Yeah, I think.
Rigos, who has 10 New York franchises and 250 employees, was waiting till after the election to confront the new health care legislation, which will force him to provide insurance for all his full-time workers or face hefty fines.
It would probably reduce the staff to some degree and, again, focus on building a stronger, smaller team rather than being as aggressive in opening up new stores and creating new jobs.
The new legislation will require businesses with 50 or more workers to provide affordable health care for their employees starting in 2014, or pay a penalty of up to $2,000 per worker. Businesses with fewer than 50 employees, and that's 96% of all companies, will be exempt. They won't have to do anything. Businesses are concerned that this is going to be expensive for them.
Yep, I think that's a real concern for them.
Dr. Ezekiel Emanuel was a health policy advisor to the White House and helped develop the new plan.
Near term, we are going to see some blip in some costs, but I think actually when we rearrange costs and make it more efficient, we're actually going to see, I think, costs moderate.
Some companies may find it cheaper, though, to pay the fine rather than buy insurance. In fact, 22% of small companies say they're likely to stop offering health coverage in the next 5 years. You're not opposed to the principle of everybody having health care?
I absolutely support it, and I want to be clear about that. It's a big deal. It's still very challenging. There's 25,000 restaurants within the New York City market we're competing against, so it's not like we have surplus profits that we could just earmark a portion of them to go towards these types of initiatives.
Rigos tells us he's already met with his lawyer and accountant to begin putting a plan in place.